Hi, my name is Jack Garvey. I'm the founder and managing partner of Compliance Architects. There were trends that were occurring before the COVID crisis, and I think the COVID crisis really exacerbated and also crystallized the importance of biopharmaceuticals to modern public health. What we've seen, and again, it was starting prior, but certainly during the COVID crisis, and now it's evident now that we kind of get into the later stages, is that the future of therapies for the American public and the global community is going to be biopharmaceutical based. The amount of innovation, inventiveness, and determination relative to new and exciting therapies in cell and gene therapy, in genetic engineering, traditional biologics is mind-blowing. And combining that with the digital revolution, which is also kind of in its, I don't know what phase, third or fourth phase of maturity, there's just some really exciting alignment between those two that is driving both innovation and driving really some exciting opportunities for the future. One of the other things we see, though, is that there is a distinct gap in talent and resources that are available to support these industries. There's a lot of science, great science that's going on out there, but science is not a product. Science is a concept, and it really requires a very deep knowledge of how to commercialize products, and that's really hard to find these days. So I think that's a real challenge for the biopharmaceutical industry, and one of the trends that we're seeing all across the board. People need the expertise, they need the guidance, they need the deep understanding of the regulatory framework, the operational, essentially, life cycle, how to get a product from concept through the early stages of regulatory review and consideration, and through the CMC process and into commercial production. That's really where some of the challenges are.